Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with PayPal Commerce Platform. This integration allows you to accept payments directly through your forms, making it incredibly convenient for selling products or services online. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard displaying all your existing forms. If you want to add PayPal to an existing form, simply locate that form and click the Edit Form button. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, click on Create Form to build a new form from scratch. Either way, you'll be taken into the form editor where you can customize everything. Now look over to the left panel of the editor. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Add Element to open up the Elements menu. This is where you can add various fields and features to your form. Next, click on the Payments tab at the top of this menu. Scroll down through the available payment options until you find PayPal. Then click on it. Give it a moment as the PayPal settings panel will open on the right side of your screen. In the PayPal Business Settings panel that just appeared, you'll see a Connect button. Click on it to begin linking your PayPal account to Jotform. This connection is essential because it authorizes Jotform to process payments on your behalf. You'll be prompted to type a connection name in the field provided. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify this integration later, especially if you manage multiple forms or accounts. After entering your connection name, click the button that says Connect with PayPal. A PayPal login window will pop up. Here, type in your PayPal business email address and password, then click Login. PayPal will then ask you to authorize Jotform's access to your account. Click Agree or Authorize to proceed. This step ensures that Jotform can securely communicate with PayPal to handle transactions. Wait a moment while the connection is being established. Once you're logged in and the authorization is complete, go back to the PayPal settings panel on the right side of your Jotform editor. Now we need to configure how payments will be processed. Click on the Payment Type drop-down menu and select Sell Products from the list. This option is perfect if you're selling physical or digital products through your form. Next, click on the Currency dropdown and select your preferred currency. This is important because it determines how your customers will see prices and how you'll receive payments. Choose the currency that makes the most sense for your business location and customer base. Now it's time to add your products. Click on the Product List button to view and manage your product catalog. To add a new product, click the Add Product button, which is usually marked with a plus sign. In the product creation window, type your product name in the designated field. This should be clear and descriptive so customers know exactly what they're purchasing. Then type in the price for this product. Make sure the amount is accurate and reflects your pricing strategy. Next, add a description in the description field. This is where you can provide details about the product, its features, benefits, or any other relevant information. If you want to make your product listing more appealing, you can upload product images by clicking Choose Images, then select and upload the image file from your computer. Product images help customers visualize what they're buying and can significantly improve conversion rates. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Jotform with PayPal Commerce Platform and set up your first product. Your form is now ready to accept payments securely through PayPal. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.